fifs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? Your girl is a little bit beat this morning, honey. Don't pay me any mind. I am feeling myself today. So I did a little makeup, something going on. Did my hair all neat, and I'm heading out to my doctor appointment to see my girl. Hey. Today we have our 27 weeks appointment, and I am 27 weeks today, exactly today. Baby's off to work, Tyler is off to school. Of course, you guys know that babe don't miss my appointment, so he'll meet me at the doctor office. It is very cloudy today. We are having a little rain, but that's okay. Your girl will pick her umbrella up and her jacket up, and we'll get out on our way and be safe on the road. Yeah, so that's what's up this morning. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated. Stay away from negative people. Do what you have to do in this world to keep smiling. Hug your loved ones a little tighter. Tell somebody you love them. Go about your day smiling and let nobody, I mean nobody, spoil your day. Okay? Stay pumped like I am. Stay blessed, stay loved, and enjoy the rest of today's 27 weeks update, because that's what it's basically gonna be. Mama going to the doctor, checking on baby girl, see how she's doing, and give you guys the rundown of how doctor appointment goes. So I'm good, as you guys can see, and I'm heading out to catch the bus in about 15 minutes. So enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys at some point throughout the rest of the vlog. Enjoy, and if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up and keep up. And if you don't get our notification every day, go to our channel. Our video is there Monday to Friday. We have vlogs, even sometime on Saturdays and Sunday. You get a little surprise, something. Okay, love you guys, and this crazy mama is about to head out to the doctor right now. All right, let's go. First, let me show you guys my little doctor outfit of the day. Okay, so let me see if you guys can see me. I don't think so. Ooh, let's find a good angle for the camera. Let me see if I can find a little space on baby girl's stroller to show you guys what my outfit is looking like today. Okay, maybe that will do. Don't fall, camera, don't fall. Okay, bear with me. So this is my outfit, a nice little H&M dress, showing up the figure, the bump and the bump. The bum and the bump, okay? So this is baby girl, 27 weeks, belly is popping. Yeah, and because it's raining today and it's a little bit cold, I decided to go with my muscle contract coming in with some stockings and black boot. So there's the bump, there she is, and that's my stocking, and that's my boot. So we're about to head out. I know when babe see me at the doctor, he's gonna say, "Ooh girl, what's going on today?" He know when I do all this, I'm in a super good mood. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. So of course I reached town long in advance before my appointment time. I have like 45 minutes, 50 minutes to kill. So I am in McDonald's having hot chocolate and the chocolate burger. All by myself, me time.
There's liquid for the baby. Do you know the sex of your baby or not?
Yes.
Yes, you know.
Girl, right?
Sure, yeah. I'll show you. No, it's still a girl. Don't worry.
With all those pink that we bought, better than
It's a girl, you see.
Oh.
We're just between the legs and...
Okay,
So, it's a girl.
good.
Il y en a toujours un.
Oui, oui, il n'y a qu'un ça. The belly.
You said the head is down.
Yeah.
Ok, à la tournée là.
Already?
Ça devrait
Rester comme ça, ouais.
rester comme ça.
Normally, head will stay on this position.
Okay.
There is less risk to
To
move.
turn.
But we never know, but
Oh my gosh, honey, look. Oh my gosh. Babe, look at those lips. That was so clear, don't they? Oh.
she's tired.
Oh, she's yawning. She's super active too,
Yeah.
especially at nights. Oh my gosh, she's having a party. Oh.
Parfait.
Ça, au niveau développement, ça, au niveau là, ça.
Dites-moi.
Non, au niveau du bébé, c'est toujours en développement. tout
Oui,
ce qui
toujours,
est,
bien sûr,
organes
ouais.
vitaux.
Exactement. Non, là, le bébé n'est pas mature. Hein. C'est pour ça que d'ailleurs, ils ne peuvent pas naître à ce terme-là. Ou sinon, on s'expose à beaucoup de complications. Donc, c'est trop tôt pour donner naissance. On admet que le bébé, ouais, il est apte vers 34 semaines. And the cervix is very long, so no risk for early delivery.
Okay.
Non, il faut attendre au moins 34 semaines.
Là, c'est quoi,
Non.
26
Là, on est à
27.
27.
27.
Donc, c'est pour ça que c'est beaucoup trop tôt. C'est en cours de développement, de toute façon. Les poumons ne sont pas matures.
Au Japon, j'ai vu qu'ils ont sorti un bébé qui est né à 200-300 grammes et...
Vous savez, au début de la réanimation néonatale, ils sortaient des enfants qui faisaient 400-500 grammes. Il y avait de la casse.
Faut voir dans le temps comment
Ouais,
ça
c'est
se...
ça. C'est pas la prouesse de le faire naître.
Non,
et de les intuber, de les faire-
c'est
c'est au niveau des acquisitions. Si
c'est
c'est pour
2,
sortir,
6 ans, s'il y a
c'est pour avoir des légumes ou des enfants qui seront handicapés toute leur vie, c'est
Ouais.
criminel. C'est pour ça que, effectivement, on a toujours des belles histoires.
Prochain gros bilan de
Sanguin.
Sanguin. Ok. Donc là, on se voit dans un mois, on a la troisième écho. Troisième écho, c'est vérifier le...
Look who I have with me. Babe, you're hiding behind my head.
Yeah,
What you doing?
avoid people.
Oh, you guys, baby girl update is awesome. You guys, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
You turn on the right.
Walk here. But I'll give you guys all the updates and I'll show you guys picture of her in a bit. But first, I'm heading to lunch with my fine husband. So we're heading to lunch. Come, she give us the go. So I'm heading to lunch with babe, so I'll catch you guys after lunch. Guys, well, you guys, I am coming on to pick up right where I left off yesterday. It's the next day, by the way, and yesterday when I got back home, I was on the road all day. When I got back home, I was so tired I couldn't film. I crashed. Mom problem. So I'm just coming on to give you guys update on baby girl from our doctor's appointment, because when I left the doctor yesterday, as you guys saw, we went on a date, went to lunch, and we were at lunch just chitting and chatting, and we were at lunch for probably like 3 hours, and then I got back home and life continues. Yeah, but baby girl is doing amazing, praise God. She's doing well. She's head down. Actually, she's head down. The doctor said that's good, so that's awesome to know that she's done already. She is have a lot of liquid around her, so that's good. And I saw her in action yesterday. She was so active as usual in my stomach with all the feels. She was very active yesterday. Catch her yawning and everything. I'm going to just show you her so you can tell me if she look like me. Let me show you my princess. Look at that beauty. Oh my god, look at that lips. Definitely mama, and that nose is definitely Tyler. She is so gorgeous. I couldn't stop looking at her yesterday, and we catch her yawning too. So let me show you guys. This is another picture similar to the one I just showed you. She's so gorgeous. I feel like you guys getting to know her before she comes out. So we caught her yawning yesterday. Let me show you. That's one of her yawning, and let me show you another one of her yawning. She was so tired. Look at her. Look at that mouth, wide open, yawning. She was like, yesterday when the doctor was taking these shots, she was like, the doctor said, yep, she's tired, she's ready to take a nap. And to be real, the time when I was there, it would be my nap time, and she would really be quiet during that time of the day, so it would be definitely her nap time for real. So she's doing well, as you guys can see, and that's her. Let me just give you guys a little rundown on how she is right now. Okay, so we're actually ending second trimester and going into third trimester. So third trimester starts 28 weeks, which is next week. So I'm heading there right now, and that's awesome. We're on the final lap of baby girl. Yes. Okay, we're almost at the finishing line, you guys. So she's gonna get even more big throat trimester. My stomach probably doubling size. Okay. Her weight is increasing, and she's about 3.5 times by delivery date. Oh my god. So she is basically gonna double what she is right now by due date. She's about 31.7 ounces at the moment, and she's about 37 centimeters in length. Yeah. What else about her? Yesterday my doctor said, just to reconfirm, yes, it's a girl, and that didn't change. So I said, well, if it's not a girl, whenever who comes out will be wearing a lot of pink. So so yeah, it's still a girl, and she's doing well. And as for me right now, I am eating just about everything, so that is good. I am eating veggies, I am eating more fruits. Oh, good news, I got something for my constipation. Hey. My doctor prescribed something for my constipation yesterday, so that's awesome. I start taking it this morning, so let's see how it works throughout the rest of the time. And he gave me a little iron tablet because he said as the pregnancy get older, my iron naturally will go down, so he gave me some iron tablet to balance that out. So yeah, what else is going on with me? My back pain get intense. It gets so intense sometimes that I can't sit up for too long. I have to give my back breaks between sitting up and laying down, so I have to do a lot of laying down. The more I sit up is the more it hurts, so that symptom is really the most intense symptom that I'm feeling right now, the back pain more than anything else. I am not really having any nausea per se. The only little vomit I had a few weeks ago was I had some prune juice, and I don't know what happened throughout that day. And I also had a sandwich from Burger King a few hours later, and I just TMI, I bring up back everything, and I had to just went to bed and sleep it off. So that was only a little hiccup that I have, but apart from that, your girl is eating, and I am walking each day. So my workout is, I'm still getting my workout in, so that I do at least 30 minutes a day walk, so that's good. Yeah, so I'm staying fit, I'm staying active, I'm staying motivated. What else about baby girl? Baby girl is happy because you guys sending so much gifts, and throughout this update you guys will see us unboxing more things from you guys. And on that note, I have some packages in front of me that came today that I need to show you guys. So here goes more unboxing on top of unboxing. The blessing towards us and towards this little girl is just something I never imagined in a million years, and I just want to pour out my heart and tell you guys thank you, because you guys didn't have to, but you guys see it fit to send us the love, and we appreciate it. What else is up? Just know that baby girl is good and she's doing fine, and mama is also doing good. The only thing is that when I don't get my naps throughout the day, I have to take at least one nap throughout the day. If I don't take my nap throughout the day, I either have to go to bed early that night, or the following day when I wake up and drop Tyler to school, when I get back after breakfast, I have to take an early morning nap. Like today, I didn't get any nap yesterday, and this morning after breakfast, I'm like, hell, this mama can't hang. So I have to take my naps in the day, and I'm still doing laundry for baby girl. I'm still getting her room ready. Of course, you guys will be seeing room tour coming when it's ready, and you guys will get name reveal when it's ready, okay? But baby girl is doing well, praise God. That's it for my 27 weeks update and going on dates with babe. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and catch and keep up on this amazing journey called life with us. Not just showing you my pregnancy journey, but after pregnancy, and our travels, and our love, and our laughter, and all the positivity that we're sending you. You guys, we love you guys. We appreciate every single one of you. Just know that you guys are the realest. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.